What's up? We're playing the intro to Step On Me. This is by the Cardigans. So, get a guitar. No capo. I used it in the last tutorial. But we're not using it in this one, so it's great. So, if you listen to the song, it's not going to sound that much like what I'm about to show you how to play, because that one has a lot of instruments like the piano and like things and stuff in it, and this one doesn't. This is just the guitar version. Go find the whole thing somewhere else on YouTube. I'm just showing you how to play the guitar. So, here's how I'm going to be playing it. You can play this whole song on 2 strings.
So what song?
This is Step On Me by the Cardigans.
Let's hear it.
So, the way, I don't know how they play it actually, I just kind of figured it out. So, the way I play it is you're going to play the 5th string. This is called your A string. When I number a string, I'm counting from here to here. This being 1, this being 6. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the 5th string, the A string. I'm going to play the A string on the 5th fret. So, 5th fret. Don't forget it. 5th fret, A string. Now we're going to play it twice. So, but on that second one, you're going to do what's called, I forgot what it's actually called. I just called it a slide. I don't know if it's actually called a slide. Probably is. I'm going to eat this. Alright, so. Again, second one, you're going to slide. You're going to slide from the 5th to the 7th. Not the 6th or 7th, just the 7th. 5. 5, slide 7. It's already taking shape. So, I'm going to play that. Your pointer finger is going to end up on the 7th fret of the A string. There's 2 ways you can go about playing this next part. You can be lazy like me, or you can be skilled like other people. So, you're going to land on the 7th. The way you're supposed to play it is take your ring or your pinky and smash down on the 9th. And then play the 9th. I don't do that. I just move my pointer finger up there and play the 9th. So let's play it all together. Great job. So, I don't know how you did. You're probably horrible if you're watching me. So yeah, we're gonna play that. Now, I really hope you have dots on your guitar, because I'm gonna start referring to dots. So we're gonna take, I'm going off of how I play this. So your pointer finger is gonna end up on the 9th. You're gonna wanna move it down a string into this dot, 7th fret. This is on your D string. This is the 4th string. Now, this is where you actually need to not be lazy. You're gonna put your middle finger on the 8th fret of the A string. Play that. Okay, let's play everything we have together. Wow. I'm so impressed by you.
Congratulations. I'm proud.
Oh, we're very proud. We are so proud of you. Okay, so you're gonna end up in like this, right? Once you play that 8th fret, you're gonna take either your ring or your pinky, it really doesn't matter, and you're gonna hammer on. A hammer on is where you play the note, and you smash on another finger. So it kind of like,
It goes up and down.
or it can go down. It can be It's not in the song, but it could be. So, again, we're playing this part. It's hammering onto the ninth. I don't know if I specified that. Now, with hammer-ons, you don't need to come all the way back from Kansas. You don't need to be like, I want you to keep your finger just like, I don't know if you can see that. Mine's like just above the string, just enough so I'm not touching it at all. But so that I can just hammer it on really quickly. Let's play it all from the top. Boom. Now you're gonna play. You can take off these fingers now, I think. Wait, let me. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, take those off. So now you're just left with your pointer finger on the D string on the 7th fret. And you're just gonna play that again, just the 7th fret again. So you got that. We'll call that the first half of the intro. So let's play the first half. And we'll play it slower. Boom. Second half, we're gonna play back on the A string again. That's the 5th string, second from the top. We're gonna play that on the 3rd fret. We're gonna play that once. We're gonna play it again, but we're gonna slide up to the 5th. Wow. So we gotta. Now, just like earlier, rather than hammering onto that 9th, we're gonna hammer on to 7th. Hammer on to not hammer on, no, we're smashing down on 7th. Again, play it with your pinky or your pointer. I'm playing it with my pointer. Let's play that. Now, this part is exactly like what we played earlier. We have on the 4th string, the D string, we're on the 5th fret. That's our pointer finger. Remember how we went ba, ba, na? We're playing that again, so play that same thing for me. So, let's play that all right here. Yeah, so then we're gonna take those off and we're here now, remember? That 4th string on the 5th fret. We're gonna move it on to the 7th. We're gonna play it, and you're gonna rip off your guitar string. You're gonna pulling that down on the 7th. So you're playing. Make sure you return it. Let's play that all. Sorry, I messed that up. I'm really sorry. Let's play it one more time. Beautiful. My socks are really dirty. I don't like that. I really don't. So we're gonna go to the D string. This is the 4th string. This is the 3rd from the top. This guy. Okay, we're gonna play him on the 5th. Let me think. Yeah, so we're gonna play the 5th. Then we're gonna play the 3rd. So play that. Okay, let's play everything now. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now, after that, we're gonna play the 3rd again, but we're gonna slide up to the 5th. Once I'm up on that 5th there, I don't know if it's in the song, but I like to just bend it down, kind of like what we did on 7th. So it's like, Just like that. So let's play this whole second half. Beautiful. Let's play the first half and the second half all together right now. Play it with me. You probably messed it up because you suck. So we're gonna play it again, but slower. Okay? 3, 2, 1. You did it. Sorry, my cousin ended it and the video's not over yet. So, now that we have that, this part is a little more advanced. So, if you're horrible at guitar, then just end the video now. And don't keep watching. If you're willing to put in the effort, I'll show you. You know, I'll show you it. So, we're gonna play the first string on the 5th fret. Okay, this is where the stretch begins. We're gonna go one string above. This is the B string. On the 7th fret. On the 3rd string, also the 7th fret. So this is gonna be our chord. We're just gonna strum those bottom 3. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna take these two, and we're gonna move them down a fret. So we're going from here. Notice how our shape doesn't change, they just kind of move down. That's what we're doing. Strum that. Let's play those both. This is kind of a bar chord now. But it's not a bar chord, because it's not a bar chord, but it is. So, what do I play with? I play with my pinky. We're gonna just bar the bottom 3 strings, just like that. The reason I'm using my pinky, you can see what I'm doing here. I'm kind of like helping my pinky out. Sorry. Why is it gross now? Okay, my pinky's like cramping up. Okay, anyway, we're gonna use our pinky now on that 5th fret. On the 2nd string, we're gonna play the 4th fret. On the 3rd string, we're also gonna play the 4th fret. So it's kind of like our earlier formation, just like kind of reverse, you know? So we're gonna strum those bottom 3. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna move these 2 down again. Wow, strum that. This is where it gets really gross, and it should be played like that, but that's unhuman, and we're not gonna play like that. We're gonna cheat, and we're just gonna play this one and not even touch the other strings. So you'll see my pinky's kind of like curled a little bit, because I'm getting ready for a D chord. So we're playing that one. My pinky's jumping into that D chord. If you don't know a D chord, here's a D chord. Bottom string. How do I play it? I play with my middle finger. Bottom string, 3rd fret, middle finger. 2nd string, 4th fret, ring finger. 3rd string, 3rd fret, point finger. And you're gonna strum the bottom 4 strings. So just like that. So let's try and play it all really slow.
I guess one of the only places that would DoorDash is like McDonald's. I know. At my house, I'm very lucky. It only take 15 minutes.
I know, when I lived
That was beautiful, guys.
Replacement order and be at my door in like 2 seconds.
Sorry, my sibling and my cousin are talking about DoorDash right now. So
I literally used to have the DoorDash.
that's how you're gonna play that. So great. So we were like, we're coming down here. We're like, let's play one more time. We're playing the whole song now, from the intro first half to the intro second half to the third half, which is the chords. Yes, I just said third half. No, it's not thirds. It's halves. Deal with it. Okay. That's why I don't have a good grade in math, and I have a good grade in music theory. So, without further ado, play the whole song. Slowly, because you're playing with me. I'm not playing for you. This is not a concert. Here we go. You did it, I hope, maybe. If you didn't, then I'm not a bad teacher, you're a horrible student. It is not my fault. That's on you. I messed up. Anyway. That's the song. Let's make my thumbnail. That's the thumbnail. Beautiful.